everyone, my name is Stacy, and today I just woke up feeling like I just want to make some crepes. I haven't had one since last year when we went to the fair, and I happen to have all the ingredients on hand, and so I'm just going to throw that together and make some. So anyway, it doesn't take very many ingredients, and you don't really need a crepe pan to make it happen. So I do have a cast iron pan with a very short sides. It's usually made for omelets. But it doesn't matter. I've made these in regular pans as well. You just want to make them a little smaller if you're going to be using something like that. Anyways, let's do this. So I'm going to mix 1 cup of milk, 2 eggs, 1.5 tablespoons of melted butter. I have a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. You can choose whichever kind of salt you want, whether it's sea salt or kosher salt, doesn't matter. And then I have 1.5 teaspoons of granulated sugar. And the last ingredient is 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour. So I'm just going to whisk this together and make it into a nice thin batter. All right, that should do it. And so now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to cook this. When cooking your crepes, you want to make sure that the pan is hot, but not too hot, and you want to make sure that it's just very lightly oiled because you don't want it to fry. You just want it to cook well without sticking. So I'm going to put on about 1/4 cup worth of the batter onto the pan and then just let it cook. The temperature is not too high. I don't want it too high. I've only got it on level 1, which is, I don't know, I guess a medium-low kind of thing. I'll just spread this out just a little bit and let that cook. It's going to take about 1 minute per side, so you just need to be patient. Once your crepes are all done, go ahead and fill them with sweetened whipped cream, sweetened cream cheese, and some fresh fruit of your choice. Berries are really nice, so are fresh peaches that are sliced, and maybe even some apple pie filling. It doesn't matter. It's totally up to you what you want to do. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.